In this example, we're going to determine which of the following ordered pairs satisfy the equation 2y plus 4x equals 6. And then we're going to check all that apply. So notice in the past you've solved or you've graphed linear equations, and this is a linear equation. And remember, this has infinitely many solutions. So this is just a side note to get us started. We could graph this, we could find the intercepts. I'm just going to make a general graph. I know it looks like a line. This doesn't match this exactly. So any point on this line, here's a point, there's infinitely many points on this line, is a solution to the equation. Okay? However, this point is not a solution to the equation because it doesn't lie on the line. So our goal is we're given these xy pairs and we want to see if they in fact are solutions to this equation, or graphically if they would lie on the line. So what we're going to do is we're going to write the equation, and then we're going to put down the value given. First one is 5, negative 10. And now we're going to replace x with the x value given and y with the y value given and see if we get a true equation. So be careful here, the y is first, so we have to do negative 10. 2 times negative 10 plus 4 times 5. And now I'm going to put a question mark over the equals because I'm testing to see if this is true. I don't know if it is true yet. Does this equal 6? Well, now let's simplify the left-hand side. 2 times negative 10 is negative 20 plus 20. Does this equal 6? And you may realize already it doesn't, but we're going to simplify it completely before we make our determination. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0, and 0 does not equal 6. So that means this ordered pair does not satisfy this equation, so we will not check it. Let's try the next one. So 2y plus 4x equals 6 is our equation, and we're given the ordered pair negative 6, comma 15. We'll replace y with 15, so 2 times 15 plus, replace x with negative 6. Remember your question mark because we don't know if this is true yet. Does this equal 6? So now let's multiply this out. So 2 times 15 is 30. 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. Does this equal 6? And now 30 plus negative 24, well, that's just like 30 minus 24, and this does equal 6. So that means this is a solution to this equation. So I would check this one. So we've seen an example of both an ordered pair that wasn't a solution and an ordered pair that is a solution. So you should follow this process with the remaining numbers. Remember, any of them may or may not be a solution. There's definitely more than one solution to this equation. We just don't know if these all are them, none are them, or some combination. So continue on with the other 3 points and check to see which ones work.